discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Trey. I have 6 ZV615s on 2 term. It's supposed to be 3, but one of the term went out this morning when I got here, so.
Oh man.
But they wired up half ohm.
Okay. So what did you have it before? You had it when it had 3 amps. What was it wired to?
Half ohm.
Half ohm?
Everything's a half ohm.
Okay.
So there's only 4 subplane right now.
Got it. Okay.
It's only 4 subplane.
What's your your electrical like, your battery alternator?
I have Autotech 350.
Okay.
240 amp lithium. Yeah.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Wow. Nice job. Looks good.
Got the details from the members of my my car club.
Okay. That's a 4th order?
Yeah, it's a 4th order.
Okay. And it's mounted inverted. Have you tried mounting them regular at all?
No.
Always invert?
I invert them because I want to make sure the subs don't overheat, especially in this heat.
Yeah. Have you ever tried mounting a port round over anything, or you kept it open?
I kept it like this.
Okay.
Well, I just did this this week. The first that was in here was it was 6 ZVX. I took them out Monday.
Yeah. Okay.
I put these in Wednesday.
Can you see a big difference in the motor force or anything?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, way big difference.
Big difference. Yeah.
With the ZVX, I was doing over 60. With this right now, yeah, it's
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the game now.
So you're metering a 60 plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
This video is sponsored by NVX.com. I have done quite a few extensive test and review videos in the past, as you see in some of these highlight product clips here. NVX offers subwoofers, speakers, amplifiers, EQs, sound processors, powered subwoofers, vehicle-specific subwoofer boxes, and much more for car audio. Search on my channel if you want to see prior videos I've done using NVX, as well as check out the links in the description to see all products shown here. Thank you, NVX, for sponsoring this video.
That extra 8K on there, yeah.
It opens it up probably a whole lot. Yeah.
Yeah, you shake it up.
Yeah.
I would have to have the doors open.
Really? Oh yeah. 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 You tap out of your own system ever? It's so loud when you turn it up, you're like, I gotta stop. Or you're used to it now?
Like that.
Or you're not used to it yet?
But
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go. Oh yeah. I'll go look at the amps too in the back.
Yeah.
Everything's open. And the alternator? Yeah.
You ain't gonna see nothing.
Nothing? It's hidden?
The way the car set up, you can see.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Ready, man?
When they see me, I'll be traffic, they say Jeezy,
though? I mean, I know you're used to that extra 8K though, yeah.
That extra 8K on there, yeah.
It opens it up probably a whole lot, yeah.
Yeah, you shake it up.
Yeah.
I would have to have the doors open.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.